Alright, so like a moth to a flame, I'm out here. Rich is getting set up. He's filling out his paperwork. He's got to do technical stuff. They got to check out his vehicle. Of course, I'm looking around, and like a moth to a flame. I find a Mustang. That thing's really obnoxious. American Muscle, there you go. Here she is. There is a classic race car, Mustang. Comes with its own on-off gas, of course, roll cage, steering wheel that comes out, series shifter. This thing flies. It's got a shift light kit. See the shift light right there? See it? You guys want to see under the hood? Well, so do I. We'll see if we get an opportunity. So, what is your name?
Art.
This is Art.
Yep.
And excuse the shaking, guys. I just got here. I just took a little walk. Art says to me, "Oh, Will, you know, I don't know about putting it on. It's not really running right." And I'm like, "It's a Ford Mustang. Of course it's not running right, guys?" All right, the classic guys. That's a good joke. I know you modern guys are all tuning them out and all this stuff, and you got your suspension packages. Well, this guy's tinkering on the whole car. What year is it?
66.
66, guys. Race car. Are you racing tonight?
No, just testing.
Testing?
Yeah.
So you are going to get on the track?
No, I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, so we're just going to see your idol. I caught him late, and let's take a look under the hood. He's going to let us look underneath the hood. Thank you, sir.
Yep, no problem.
Boom, he just throws the hood off. Wouldn't most of you love to do that when you're working on your cars? That's the best way to do it, so you don't have to deal with those hinges and adjusting them all the time. Jeez, how much horsepower is this?
Well, it depends on the day.
Well, on a good day.
It should be about 600.
600 horsepower.
It's a 363 8.2 deck, small block Ford. About 12.5 to 1 compression, 13 to 1 compression. Solid roller.
You put some money into this, or at least a lot of work.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
He's being modest, Captain America.
It's a consistent, ongoing endeavor.
Look at this, guys. Almost 6, you said, right?
Yeah, about 6, depending on the day.
600 horsepower and a piece of iron that was made in 1966. It's pretty crazy.